Why is she shutting down when all you're trying to do is help? You see her upset and you go into fix-it mode. Offer a solution, give her advice, try to move things forward, being productive. But instead you get distance, defensiveness, silence. Here's the truth most high-performing men miss. She doesn't want a solution. She wants a safe place. And I'll explain what that means as you continue to watch. Elite men learn how to lead emotionally, not logically. I watched my fiance double his business income in under 2 years. And he'll tell you, his emotional leadership at home was the turning point. He stopped trying to solve me like a business problem. It was only pushing us further away. And he started listening like I mattered. In this video, I'll show you how to flip that switch so your woman stops pulling away and starts leaning in with love, trust, and full support. And if you want a step-by-step guide to do this at home, download your free marriage ROI toolkit in the description below. She's not a problem to solve. I get it, you're a fixer. That's what makes you a great leader in business. But your wife doesn't want to be solved. She wants to be seen. When she shares something vulnerable with you, she's not asking for a solution. She's asking indirectly, can I trust you with my heart? And every time you rush in with a solution instead of presence, you send the message, your feelings make me uncomfortable. Let's move on from this quickly. That kills trust. Listen like a leader, not a technician. Emotional leadership means listening with empathy, not urgency. Try this instead. That sounds heavy. How are you feeling about it now? I'm here with you. I don't need to fix anything. I just want to understand. And watch what happens. She'll open up. She softens. She feels safe. And now she wants your presence. You're no longer fighting her emotions. You're holding space for them. That's what elite husbands do. If this is landing with you and you know you need to shift how you lead at home, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It gives you 5 high-level tools that will strengthen your relationship and fuel your business success, because your woman's support isn't just emotional. It's strategic. Create a safe place so she solves it herself. Women are very powerful creatures. Great leaders know how to bring out the best in others, including your wives, right? So here's the part where it'll blow your mind. When your wife feels truly heard, she often solves her own problems. That's the power of presence. She doesn't need your answer. She needs your attention. And when she feels safe, your opinion carries 10x more weight. So don't rob her of that clarity by interrupting it with your fix. Hold the space. Let her process. Then lead with love and wisdom, not control. Listen, you're not lesser man for not fixing everything. You're a stronger one when you can lead with emotional presence, because that's what actually gets you the connection, respect, and support you crave at home. If you're ready to lead your relationship like the elite men that you are, book a free call with me below. We'll personalize a strategy that gives you more support at home and more peace in your business. Book a call now.